G'day guys, Scott from FOREX Trader here, just bringing you a quick trade update. You may have the opportunity to nail this with us. Just sort of having a quick look, it's the Euro US dollar that we're having a look at. Now I'm trying to work out how, I've got a new mouse, so apologies if this thing, oh no, there we go, it works. Okay, so basically it's not hard to see why I like this trade, right? You can see on the hourly chart here, basically, you know, price structure has obviously moved down. From that Boxing Day high, that really awesome trade that we took up through here. Now you've got previous structure high here, and you've got previous structure, previous structure, previous structure. So basically, what I really like about this trade is it's popped down, it's tested some of these Fibonacci levels down here. Particularly, you have a look there, it's tested the 50% retracement and also the 38% briefly before NFPs actually push the price back up. Now, given old resistance becomes new support, this for me is an awesome trade setup. It allows a very, very tight stop to be placed, and it allows you to basically take a profit target at the next structure level. Now, if I look at the next structure level, I probably reckon the next structure level is about there. And the reason for that is obviously if you have a look here, you've got basically structural low, structural low, structural low, structural low. And if you go back, I can't go back any further because I'm drawing. If you look at this basically on a larger chart, you can see that this is a really, really good supply, area here and also up here. Now, what I'm thinking is obviously it's going to move about 50 points higher up to this level. Now, assuming it gets through there, I'll just change colour here to make it something different. Assuming it gets to this level here, you may actually find it comes up to retest this ascending, this old level of support, this rising support line. And if it gets through there, well, obviously we're going to target this level here. I'm probably just going to get out at this level, myself personally, because, you know, 50 points in the bag for a Monday would be awesome. Might not all happen today, but you never do know. Your luck in the big city. My thoughts though is I'd rather actually let it go, because you'll often find there'll be a little stop run up, it'll come up, it'll test this level, and then it'll spike through before falling back down and then wiggling around here for a little while. You know, and I would prefer to see that sort of action, much like this here, this sort of wiggling around here, retesting on that line, before I would take another trade higher, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's my thoughts on the Euro US dollar. Now hopefully I can actually get in. Oh yeah, I can work this again now. Righto. So I'm just still learning about all this, you know, screencast stuff. So you can see what I mean there. It's bumped up. It's, you know, basically used this level as a testing point, and you know, hence is a really great place to get in, where you can have your stop placed basically directly under it, keeping your risk reward really tight. Now on this one here, it's essentially a 5-to-1, so I'm risking about 10 to pull in 50. So to me, that's a freaking awesome risk to reward ratio, and it's definitely worth having a crack at. So I hope you guys are all on that, or get on that very shortly. It'll probably wiggle around here for a little bit longer. It may even come back a retest, might stop me out, who knows. But this level here, just remember, this is a really great level to look at. So get into that. Righto guys, that's all for now. Till next time, trade well.